Anyway, I'm going to join about big agenda. Jumedi so Adom TV. Brasso see ding komo. Government announced a reduction in fuel prices by 8 pesos. Now, you better not yet demo and komo. You be a buy listening government and answer ye crocro the drone. Say the bini pebi ashasiye esusuno. Na impona hu hiasi ya tuto a yefa ngubuomo at this time. I want to was system na coupled with new taxes back into effect na. Loving Life Chinese Clinic, Commander Management, the bro, a big agenda. We didn't end an say for JPM right back, yet in command basis. Enti, Yamu Aqua Bium, Afe, Yankajangumina Yanko, any big agenda, so na ye chefang bois, a buy announcer, so matituna. In a communique, released just about an hour ago, the National Petroleum Authority reduces fuel margins at a meeting held at the Ministry of Energy earlier today. Between the Honorable Minister for Energy and the National Petroleum Authority, the Association of Oil Marketing Companies, that's AOMC's Bulk Oil Storage and Transport Company, that's BOST, and the Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, CUPEC, the Institute of Energy Policies and Research. It has been agreed as follows. The 17 pesos per liter increases in fuel margins previously announced by the NPA has been reduced to 9 pesos per liter, effective tomorrow, Wednesday, 5th May 2021. If you watch Chinako. Yanko na mini abema obi fusu kasa emma Ministry of Energy. Ko ben mema wadwo anwumre.
Nana mejozo.
Na boko de.
Ewade ni medini pa na wo e.
Me ho ye pa ma yenhwe na je se anope manfo su omusu na ato aban ni ministry na koma so anti mo de santi so yi aba ana se ni nyina so ne sei.
Yo we de ma me na se na me nchia you may. Yo, the attorney said, what monitor happenings in the sector. Now we bring on my Shashi and Minister Eba. Now, by and what all review Nemaka Kaka. Now we Nemani Bia, company Biocrana, discussed price complaints, yes, a year ago. If you also an ancien or more Asian components. To the call. Parliament approve and no crowd and no that change. When you come out near NPA, levies are full pricing. So I Mama James in the cost of Cacano. And a minister to us from so Mumrani and Traffic, NPA formula, Bostimra, oil marketing companies, Nagasanga, so Monoton, Fu and no Mumra, Asana, CSO, no, our Monomushe, pricing, Fangonum, Jumedian. Citizen, you know, the Russian, you know. See a problem when you are Mutinasi. There's a price in the Buddha to Jadi, or Mocata, and Nay, or Mushe with a pumps in the bitch in prices. And mind you, for an aya, family, I should not say that. No money is actually. She bet Russia, and many we are. As a crown, price Namudiabano, can say, Gina. Tiumba, as you know, share as a component, NPA for no, the levies at total. Onomuka says, the Omotiswa, baby, and Omontiso, and come from Crack. Price are better Montino. So let's see who cram from Casetono. I have if you share Munez and obeying yourself from 17 pesos, you know, a bit at the Swa Maba 9 pesos. That is almost about 50%. Na price in the mafum. You know, Mutazi, agreement by any alcohol and come okay. And yet, Dako, any day prices at Tunemasumani Kosu. It's over to Tunem Koseka, Ocean Islands, Kaka, you know, price of Modiabani, did it also. If you enter some rat 9 instead of 17. It's about a penny in ID 2 more. We are in Sasha, the Abatuja, they don't come out anyway.
Na je say enye taxes na sem nemo margins no na mohwe aye ho bibi.
You know, once the taxes no crowd no parliament asem. Ya ka parliament na say committee share pricing o machine because they can budget to both minority. Especially when parliament is high pay. You will economic to demand pursue at the FM Pablo Binship. So when you are showing no more say already o majatu say already on sakan ye. This was our parliament called through a long process. The local the Yanon can taxes, the AKA, NPA for levies are, or what it was the bois or marketing companies, no mark. do the efa monitoring tracking system near and all levies now was 17%. And minister the media, if motion amount to levies, Mr. Kra, never a price to the from Kra. So no mutation, no, okay. The minister can be fine. I bedrooms are 9. The net taxes in what I can levies.
And I want to say it take effect from the bank.
But your minister take effect immediately. But then I'm saying,
hello, what's the meeting? What's the meeting, Kapa?
Let me say, the minister at home said, they are discussing the Yajatumo. It takes effect, and they are more conquest than they are. So, as a minister was on to keep signing into consideration. To move to money, the Adibet Chan of Paroco Pompono, not the what to be able to our Tesso. They are not only to my friend of Abatumono, over to move with the new price, or to move with 17, over to move with 9. It will want to move that I don't know. All
right. Kwasi de gina soma me o mesa ba so na me nko Chamber of Petroleum Consumers Association COPEC for no na Duncan Amo na executive director. Duncan, good evening.
Ma me nchia wa hwefo nyina anwumre.
Boko de
ahonto ahon bi me ho ye. Twi no mo panje me. Ubeka ne ahoden na America. Ahoden wo ho.
It is a tree na ne kan yo de ne kasa be na be kan.
Enye dion na o se tree no ye de se be na e kan. Enye kasa ketwa.
All right. Eti meeting na minister ne stakeholders here no na otimu bi. Ene enam so ma yenya reduction of margins ama bia e be affect the prices of fuel prices for pumps no. Den potini ko mu.
So wo hwe entumu a MP announce ya wada itwemu Thursday na MP kira o kira ne so no so akofa 17 pesos bi head free the free e de abeka ho yenkoche ntua enra nwumre Ghana for do sorry na ebo no amani muso most of us complained na mejide se opinion of ministry no so wetie na sopemu aye ho bibi yada na pe yenyaya na nko yi ni nyina firi ho
Duncan me ba bo me kakra na 17 pesos no entirely new thing ananka e ba be shem.
Yes, entirely add on sana increases or they ka ho.
Okay na MPA for so munyina so ne senti na de sa de ne ba be shem because enim say taxes e bada dampo nti na no free hin
na chize MPA e betimi a kiremu na megidi say
at meeting no moment me and raise an kiremu the ntia ana o man try so be
justify you who jaya o say oh na we cost I was here 2 way
and some try so justify o meeting na say
I will be able to try so justify the why but minister niti e fa ne fa nyina no e me say o hu say oteso a e beboa enti enye MPA na ateso some of the media are saying the MPA reducing by 8 pesos.
Communicate by
energy. NST so.
Meba
o.
Meba
the 8 pesos.
Or communicate by a heading or National Petroleum Authority reduces fuel margins. Inti bia scientific expression no e kosano.
Many obey but clearly no.
Minister Nensa no sana person kire minister no
minister ne insistence and this are entiso no but enye MP and etiso.
All right, enti we no obi be bisa say the needed cushioning it say ho e person hin ha yen e wo fa ngo buom na de be ba na still
me gidi say yenya bi ka ho anka be boa o e de yeso minister ayene de ne pemu de but ebo no da so wo soro yete so aye de beje.
All right, eti pe nkomo a mudiye a chese almost stakeholders ni nyina muwo mu no anye bia se de yete se e take effect no for meeting next no do ani afemu ahwe se ampa amanfo start adhere to that directive na na set saying
ye gidi se ebedru ochina ewia kakra de na ta antiso na minister to omonte no omate enti enne wunya because enyumre na MPA ye hon krata e de ama companies no enkosi ochina de me sure say na take effect
eti we no obegyina so aka say transport fares ana ebinom envisage say enkosoro ebinom eka say yentutum ahyentiade no ankomu entwen ansa
me gidi say ye be frɛ yenuanom transport operators and you are more in common so but yent me nka say mo ntumu kra because entumu no ebi da so hyemu me gidi say e what ye frɛ ne no so ye di ho nkomo nti carefully no omo betumu kra na omo ntumu kakra na enkoba ne say omo de ebufuo epraye nyina.
All right. Duncan, Maminyao, na memfausi, minim say, oh, another important meeting also corner. Mami Sanko kwesi obi mfuso. Kwesi wo.
Nanami wow.
All right. Eti, minim sebia, ministry no, ebehre se, deda amanfo aye wo, especially, new rates and as new prices are buy no, ministry no, ebeko feda, na wa engage transport ministry no, so, I won't say they be free software increases here currently abano enkonkonya impact kese bia organa for so a minim se bia e wo mo pron so a
na I think o kan sabe pepe the antikra ma Dr. Matuku pepe digine mu share no kitin say omunye bi fa price na be so beti no say e be pass ni on to consumers ye ka consumer me kam ni umi no a ye to petrol ye tractor mu ye fa Uber ye fa taxi the petrol di juma bia no or say price a yet issue yes or so ema or marketing companies no enya mfaso na emom or so say e be ya enka say enka e beto
asentiade no
say ke be ti atuma koduru no enkon koduru sa eti say ya teso a na so bi wo mutai say ko no obeto ne sen no eto ni mama akọ price bia be ji say ya teso a almost 50% no. Like one city put a cowdy cocanwa. That's also statistics over 50%. And I say 50% also should be about 25% already. Because that is the essence of the reduction. So reduction in one amount for so I'm a consumer now. And then I come out and I won't come up as will be. Yes, you know much as when you are Jatuma, Yatisua, or you make a company in your own Yatisono. So now you are come down and go to that day, but you don't say prices, as so ampa. Or pump stations, The essence is that I drive for car owners, and you'll be pure the petrol digima. Say, they are revising prices. That's just almost so much. More by some prices, no, sir. Now, for how be uncle consumers.
All right, it was he say, yes, baby, or to 4 boho pam on the who he and Ghana. Your problem near issue back where 1 year man for Canada be gradually Daniel Gross. I had a near Macosura, Ayana, and San sign a cheat, especially some time be back, years back. World prices na drop ya kodru baby petrol baby ani atuma kodru no entimi an drop ansa mafom biem ti amanfo aya no me skeptical kakra oh ewo se petrol buo ebeba for minim how far ministry no beko I ensure say eye adwuma ne mpo OMCC no ne omo ye involved no abra mo di nkomo na reaction ne te say
oh she
ansa ne a steps na mo be take dey I ensure no
okay we share pictures ne videos kakra ya dia ba OMCC no kra de omunu kwa no muko no say prices no poor prices here abey say it may be e fa wo muko be bo mu say omunu mu gigi ska no e dia ma abai because all you see poor prices now omunu mu work filling stations now amount for be kwa to petrol no ma gigi ska no ma tie taxes ana fa so bia na lebita also ya akaba it is a cost through baby Omo no just can abade. It is exactly the no money so your first one tax was me. Every time I obey increase in piano. And ya idea come more direct. Even though a compound mumu media cost because distribution ya idea transporting of food on idea in ano. Omo de kwa kombo e business no ye. But no muso support say entiso. Tomba e no mukwa mu do manu tumbi. Say ke betima ya for enyen fa ho. Ni nyina boa e ma discussion na ye no. Minister insist there. I said the kitchen was sent from there. But now OMTs no money problem say better so no mo so say the be ya be boa amom so no amam for tima be to omufu no ya ne kwaso say ba for ma e boa I think say minister it is in the buy no obi no na even though boss ne ada you need no nya 70% never boa the juma dey but minister Suma no kwata na Ghana for ene kwa kotua to so no so sa tima na e onyama Ghana for no timi pia timi ba from kra na Ghana for win omu
kwasi we cover petroleum products ni nyina na say specific ones bi
o we kra the the levy here can just on fuel gas ni you know can just fuel at the pumps no petrol ni diesel ni the ton of pumps no na you can want to
okay it say gas no ne ho keka ho ne de omo de ehun so
David MP the by no more increment on those ones fuel products petrol products
all right na me bisa dankana mo a question me say when nya specific answer am farmer me say bra MP for more try some but justify the inti om de sa 17 pesos ne ba no anyi bia no mo pese om che deport intia om kire ma ne kusi sen go Ghana for needs to know se bia yete wo ya enim se say the okay parliament for your mo nhye ya taxes eba eno de enim say the people's representation and answer representatives ewo parliament obi no mo nyina ahwemu na yagye atum na eba but MP ho no nye obi representation na ho nti na MP force die nyina so nti e no mo de sa 17 pesos ne ba
on the NPA for them regulators or sector no
yes
ono mo hwe say ade na ade maye no of good quality and ko say obi ni ono mo hwe o maye o matoto fidie ni yawe bre bua ma say adwuma ne koso o wa anye no sa obi a betima fa o obi a dia ba sisi abeto ebe ase na ase di pa bebre fidie so na obu bi badie mo nya ne ma bebre je kwa no the last month or say few weeks ago be kaya o mo introduce monitoring system bi digital Dr. Bawumia akwa ko sound toma system it's for papa baby akodru baby na mo ba se fu no di free ya sifa free tema fako apa isu di pa baby a ebe hu se o da pa baby system ni na de bo mo ti be yesa system ni amo mo serve ye no eno hu se se ene hu kan bi na ye masa le bi ba it ye wa transporting ye wa distribution ye wa monitoring ye wa marking ye wa be bromo ye ene fu no kala ni a ye components ni dos kene na minister shene ba ko we yente so we yin free o we yente so ta ni ye do be da ye it ye components free MPA for the bois ma dumadi o mu di no ti bi mo ma ye so nya the best for o mu dumadi ni se be ya for the bi ma ye no ali so koto ka ba ka fuel o se nya no quality o se nya embrake o ka down no they ensure that this is our quality no
because
the regulatory work from we no and what is be I ma legacy on being so introduced
all right justified but timing into almost her time and say time yeah you woman COVID ye nyina agitum say we are not in normal times coupled with taxes for na eba better petroleum products na eso na yedi we ehye mu no o man hwe time no na o man nwe Ghana for ho sa
enuka the minister start to catch you
kwasi me ba cho gina ye ma asa homa na hase popo
na number 3 na me ka say minister introductory comments crowd and any of car first say parliament taxes aba now we also when short taxes no river our OMCs no apply na so we levy there yes that time we because senior okay time emre wo mu no nye bibia na ahunguno so can say you are not in normal time senior can no so ka COVID ne mu nsentemuti no wo be ya say ye bia no yenwen Ghana for no first no ne introductory remark enti that dia yenhwe mu ne ma mu dia ba nde wo ye sha we ya nya dia ye present dia yi free ye free okra ye free ono na me pemu no wo say ye tia ka e be hwe na me ka se be okra na ye he no say upetu ye di ma otu wa ko di ma na ye ko ye ni no ye de faka ka sa at the time no was considered bi nya ka ho na ma minister to sa from mo so ade atuma ye nyina ya ba be ko mo say ade na ye di aba no Ghana for the country bi ye nti peso kwa na de
all right
they okay ni nyina ye di e consider ya ama ne ye betu
all right ma me na wasena me fa unsi and yenkona yene national vice chairman edema GPRTU nana is it Ampofi Anan endi enkomo na yenhwe se anyebia onmo ka wura nom ne adrafo no so dia be omo esom se opani oti enka enwere ye mo adwemo akwaba
Yo, yeah.
Meaning so din manya na correct ah.
Mbacho no ano, Nana Mpofianan.
All right.
Artist in your family Manuel Niankra.
Niankra. All right. All right. But you said the nkonwa din na ordinam.
Me pacho
Nana on kwaso. Na yenim se mo nhye se ka sentiade no mo batum. Ena enne anwumre ye ababeto mu se fa ho no bo no so kra na ye hwan so kakra. Mo be da ka abom ahwese mo nkotum ma ne mmoro so na fei botae kra ntimpanifo e de hwan so no enkonkonko ye briguo.
Yo, me that's it. Na minchi ashefo nyina. The woman says our consultations no you started almost 2 months ago. Na ye check it the way our increment in beba. First ye share nyama ekeka ho a ye di other operational way no. Ye share ni nyina ansa na ye twetwen so say forward ye ba be to na fi yatum. Anapai mze unse forward ye no about. About no kwan bia so na o say glory first no so yetumi tum ma therefore so omu ehia mo kakra nti ochina me no ka say ochina 11 o'clock no e be co transport ministry na ministry na gina ma timemufo na yeso ye gina ma ye drafo na di to mu a ye ka no aba.
All right, there say ye ka say mo finalize it, right?
Baby they do ochina be finalize
enti mo be factor in new entity so a abayi e de ahyem, right?
Entity so aba ye way na oka no
fa ngo de ya ye ka ho asem anwumre
se ye entity so into mu na aba ana entity so aba
entity so for aba anwumre ye 17 pesos a na nka MP for de to so mo ate so e de aba 9 pesos no ntimi ye sure say from ochina no say de ye kan yim say enya nnumu ho a from ochina mo be hu effect no pumps no so sisi ane ne Ministry of Energy for mpanifo di nkomo a omo ekire mu.
Oh, no problem. I'm saying near Wahono and night be ejuma. You be very sure say you be fair to the traveling public. And until I actually change what we see and last month in Kuton a lawyer fair about that. Almost any time you catch a draft for so munya butre. You person on basis traveling public no. And I say woman to quite
so aboka. All right.
Yes.
Openi mama na wase anwumre.
Yo mi so me da sepa.
Nana Ampofi our ye vice chairman ma GPRTU Kane Emmanuel Ankra na wote say ye no edi enkomo no ba ka say da kwasi adai e da wiase nyina ye yesu ode bon nanom abaso na Adom TV Adom FM ene Asempa FM Adom brands no ye ni agro ba ye maame no mo a yesi omfom ye mfom asem ngora toprekra nti ya hye enapa dwumadie a che say napa ye dwumadie no e ba so kwasi adai virtual edition na ye de ebremu anwumeku akesi bebre na so yasene nti awia no mienu ken na otu TV ho ne ye kan frighto fo na edi akotene papa frighto sunflower edim afei geisha for techre dove for techre nkule no palm soup baby bone natural gripe water tasty tom imboost herbal Franco Trading Enterprise Lion Aluminium Products Alliance Life Insurance na Royals Palo Unisex Salon onu nyina ka ho bi ne de enapa yedwumadi ebebro kai Sunday 2 p.m. o maame se wo ne be pie akọ baabi a kai se obehwe Adom TV dwumadie no ahwe ebi enkura nhye ne se obesi amen ne ni kan be ka kura na hu hia se obepie ye maame no yensu omofom ti kwasi ada de hyabiri na nase apofo Kofi Asan ne produce show ye esi wo hene no mota akire ma bright eni apamfo ni nyina nso ayo mafam de wo kyena ye besan hye bi